In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear pending tasks in Google Calendar. We'll walk through a quick and reliable way to tidy up your calendar by marking your pending task as complete. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. If you're asked to sign in, just use your usual Google account so you can see your calendar and tasks. Once the home page loads, you're looking at the main calendar grid with your events and any tasks that have due dates. Pending tasks are simply tasks you haven't marked as done yet. On the calendar, they typically appear on the date they're due and show a small empty circle icon next to the task title. Think of that circle as your one-click shortcut to clearing the task. If you organize tasks by time, you may see them at a specific hour. If not, they'll usually sit at the top of the day. Scan your calendar for those entries with an empty circle. These are your pending items. If you have multiple calendars, remember that tasks belong to the Google Task Calendar, so they may look a little different from events. That's expected. When you're ready to clear one, click the task right on the calendar to open its quick view. This small pop-up shows the task details and that same circle icon. To mark a task as complete, click the circle. It will check itself, the task will gray out or disappear from your current view, and it will move to your completed list. This instantly reduces clutter and helps you focus on what's next. If you prefer a fuller view of related tasks, click Open Tasks in that pop-up. This opens the tasks panel on the right side of the screen, where you can see the task inside its list, review any notes or subtasks, and then click the circle there to complete it. Use whichever view feels faster for you. The calendar pop-up is great for quick triage. The Open Tasks panel is helpful when you want to scan several items in a list and check off a bunch at once. Either way, the action is the same. Click the circle to clear the pending task. A couple of quick tips as you go. If a task doesn't vanish, try refreshing the page. It's often just a sync delay. For recurring tasks, completing one instance won't remove future ones, which is handy for routines. And if a task has subtasks, make sure each one is checked if you want the parent item fully cleared. That's it. By clicking into your pending tasks and checking the circle either from the calendar or from Open Tasks, you'll keep Google Calendar clean, accurate, and stress-free.